Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share how I track every options and stock trade using my trading journal spreadsheet and how this has helped me recover from nearly 30% of drawdown to a positive return in my trading account. Tracking every trade is extremely important. If you don't track your trade, you could be losing money without even realizing it. I will walk you through how I track my trades and how this process has helped me improve my performance over time. I will also show you how I analyze trades by strategy using this journal. As a beginner, I started with a demo account for about a year. Then in late 2023, I began trading live with a starting capital of around 4,000. This is now my second year trading options with a live account. I've been using various option strategies such as credit spreads like bull put spread and vehicle spread, diagonal spread, bullish synthetic, cash secure put, and a few strategies for stock trading as well. Whenever I enter a trade, I record details like trade number, trade direction, ticker symbol, strategy, sub-strategy, strike price, expiration date, and break-even price. For example, if I enter a diagonal spread, my sub-strategy would be buy call and sell call. Then I log the trade in the open position section by entering the stop price as entry, entry date and time, number of contract or share, net entry price, commission, buy or sell stock prices for stock trades. Under risk management section, I enter the buying power, maximum profit and maximum loss for the trade. Once the trade is closed, I input the stop price at exit date and time, the number of contract or shares exited, net exit price, exit commission, and stop prices. After filling all the trade details, the green cells will automatically calculate things like total P&L, return on investment percentage, P&L per day, cumulative P&L, win or loss status, account balance, percentage gain or loss, drawdown percentage. Currently, I still have an open trade, a bullish synthetic on path, which I entered in April this year. The journal also shows how many days are left until expiration for this trade. In the beginning, I had a few winning trades followed by a series of losses due to my mistake and lack of experience. At one point, my account had a drawdown of up to 30%, but it has recently recovered and turned positive. Now let's head to the trading dashboard tab to see a summary of my overall trading performance. Looking at the account balance and drawdown graph, you can see that my account went through a major drawdown in the beginning but has since recovered. From the monthly trade statistic, I learned that I made a loss in my first year of trading but recovered those losses in the second year. The chart on the right shows a breakdown of my performance by ticker and strategy. As you can see, I made the most profit from KWEB trade and the biggest loss from Celsius trade. In terms of strategy, I gained the most from diagonal spread but lost quite a lot on credit spread like bull put spread and vehicle spread. If I want to dig deeper into diagonal spread, I can go to the strategy dashboard tab and select diagonal spread to analyze. It will show important statistics like total P&L, win rate, return on investment percentage. Below, it lists all the trades taken under that strategy. The chart displays P&L by ticker and P&L by sub-strategy. From this, I can see I made money on KWEB but lost on Celsius and PayPal. If I want to analyze just KWEB, I can use the filter icon on the ticker column. First, clear all the selection and select only KWEB. It will show me the total P&L of each sub-strategy when I trade KWEB. That's how I analyze my trades using this trading journal spreadsheet. Here's my interactive brokers account dashboard. My account has recovered from earlier losses, although it still underperformed the S&P 500 since inception. If we look at the past 1 year and the year-to-date performance, it has actually outperformed the S&P by a large margin. That's how I use my trading journal to record, track, and analyze all my trades. It helps me identify mistakes, understand my weaknesses, and optimize my strategy. Without it, I would still be directionless, repeating mistakes and suffering ongoing losses. So if you want to improve your trading performance, start using a trading journal now. Check out my other videos on this channel to learn more about how to use trading journal effectively. Thanks for watching until the end. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and I will see you in the next video.